Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use our label printer at Joyland. First, you need to download the Nelko app, which should look like this. Green with the name Nelko on it. And it should also be right here if you forget the name. And click into the app. You just need to make an account if you haven't, and then you should be able to connect to any printer of this company. You go over here, which says unconnected. You have to search for devices, but you have to take our printer out first and turn it on using this button. And it does a little beep and then it connects. So now it says connection. To print a label, you just have to do a plus sign and it gives you this screen. Once you get into this screen, you can go ahead and click on this and type what you want. Confirm. And you can also move this around if you want to make it bigger or smaller. And then just put it in the center. Print. And select the text one because the picture is not what we're printing a text. You can select how many copies you want here. So let's say we want 2, and you can just say print. And it should start coming out. And to cut it, to get it out, don't rip it out. You have to use this thing right here with scissors, and you gotta press it up, and it cuts it for you. You can use this anywhere you like and do that. And that's how you use the label printer here at Joyland.